Welcome to Showesome Recorder. For camera-only clips, you can change blur or virtual background after you record. Open the clip in preview, try a new look, and export an updated MP4 on your device. No need to film again. Here is a finished camera-only recording. Open it in preview from recordings history. Click background to open blur and the gallery, images and video backdrops you can try after the fact. Choose a look from the gallery. Showesome applies the background on your device. You will see progress while it processes. Preview the updated clip, same recording, new backdrop. Play it back before you export. Not the right vibe? Pick another background and process again. Still no re-record. Processing your next background, same clip, on your device. Here is a warmer home office look, same take, different frame. Prefer privacy over a scene? Use blur instead, light, medium, or strong. Applying blur now, local processing, just a moment. Happy with the result? Download the updated MP4 from preview, or connect YouTube, Google Drive, or Dropbox and upload straight from Showesome. Your recording stays on your device until you choose to share it. In this video, you saw post-recording backgrounds for camera only, blur or gallery, processed locally, exported as MP4. For screen plus camera, pick your background before you hit start. Try Showesome free in the Chrome Web Store.